Hey everyone, join us on this brand new vlog series where we cruise with Royal Caribbean's Voyager of the Seas for a 5-night vacation, Cozumel, Costa Maya, Mexico. Let's go. Look at that! Finally got to experience the new... We are in. Are you excited?
Yeah!
The whole process, security, check-in was maybe 10 minutes. Loving this new terminal. First time we've ever been here. It is stunning. Hey, are you ready?
Yeah.
What are you looking forward to most about the cruise?
Well, I haven't had coffee yet today. So
Would you have to get a coffee?
I am ready for coffee.
For sure. Thank you.
Are we excited? Hey guys, are we excited? Woohoo! I know.
Teen, you ready?
Yeah. Yay!
It's been 5 years.
2, 1. Here we are.
We are officially on board. 5 years in the making.
We're on the ship.
Is that cool? We're
so
inside.
Oh, that smell. That's the...
All the waiting. So this is the first time that we've experienced the mustard drill this way, where you kind of watch the videos ahead of time, and I'm loving it.
But the whole check-in process was so fast.
Check-in, everything, mustard, security, all that.
Everything.
Incredible. We're on before 11 o'clock.
Monday.
It is time to eat. We are hungry. Washy, 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 washy.
Thank you.
Yeah. So Teen and I have been eating clean for 30 days straight, and let's just say the diet is off, but we're feeling good. We are hungry. We're ready for some amazing desserts too.
Maybe to the right.
Hey boys, you having fun?
Yeah.
What you got? Hot dogs?
Oh yeah, that's
Hey,
yellow next time.
you enjoy your food?
Yeah. It's so good.
It's so good. Wait a minute, you're in the desserts already? Learning to pace yourself when it's all you can eat. It's a little difficult, but we managed to do it. We've gotten food. Now it is time for us to go explore the ship. I think we're gonna check out the kids area, make sure that they're all checked in as well. All right, let's go outside and check things out. Oh, we got ice cream over here, but I think we're gonna have to wait. We just had some desserts already. Yeah, look at the pools. They got one pool, 2 hot tubs over there. Hot tubs over here. Ooh-wee.
Yeah, that's adults only.
Ooh, those are big hot tubs.
Huh? And rock climbing.
Alrighty, one of the funnest things jumping on a cruise ship is going and exploring. Sometimes it takes 2 to 3 days to figure out where we're at, but we're gonna check out the water slides and the flow rider, I think, in the back of the ship. There you go.
But
You got it, baby. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Oh, it broke too much. Oh. So now we're going to Adventure Ocean.
Don't do that.
Get our kids
No, this way,
all
Bubba. Down this
checked
hallway
in.
right
Oh,
here.
excuse me. Make sure one of the first things you do when you get on the cruise ship on Embarkation Day is take your kids and get them signed up for Adventure Ocean. My kids absolutely loved everything about it. Our room is ready, so we are heading to check it out. It is hot today.
should be on the left. Okay, some of our bags.
Yep, this one over.
Mandatory guest safety
Oh,
briefing
this is heavy.
procedure. It's very easy because all
Come
you
on,
need
baby.
to do is check in with the crew
Wow.
and you'll find your assignment.
Look, Emily, we got bunk beds. Oh, look. My shit and me are gonna sleep over here.
We made it to the room. Hey guys, are you excited?
Yeah!
They got bunk beds, join room with Grandma and Papa. Oh, this is epic. What are you boys doing?
Putting stickers on the door.
Any Royal Caribbean cruise ship that has the Royal Promenade is something that we get excited about. We love to just take time to people watch and stroll, shop, and just enjoy all that it has to offer. Always live music going on, little dance parties, and don't forget the amazing treats and free pizza that you can get at Cafe Promenade. Always a great way to finish your day. Are you I got this recorded. We'll probably get copyright, but are you relaxed yet?
Yeah,
You got your iced, your not iced tea, your hot tea.
my cup of tea.
Almost time for sail away.
Pushing away. Yeah.
4 o'clock.
Come on, Bubba. It's not yet,
I
sweetheart.
will say we had an awesome opportunity to go back to the room. There's something about taking a nap, quiet time with the kids, in a dark room with cold air. Woo! Starting this vacation off really good. All right, we're pushing back. It's time.
Yay!
You kids excited?
Yeah.
It is hot today, so we are ready to get some wind blowing.
Oh, look,
Right
Emily.
there,
Look
dolphins!
into Come up again. See it right there?
Time to dance, Everly! Hey! Time to dance! It's so hot right now. Kids are not enjoying it quite as like we thought it would be. We are currently waiting for the, what is it, the anchor away. Right, we are in the Gulf of Mexico now.
Yes, ladies, yes, the master is here.
Yes.
Growing up cups.
Cups are touching. Cheers.
Ready?
Go. Attention, everybody. Attention. Cheers. What if we see Godzilla?
So Teen and I have always said that since we eat so well on these cruise ships that
Gotta do stairs.
gotta do stairs, but we're about to go up 10 flights, I think, or at least close to it. Never disappointed in Royal Caribbean's dining.
Oh,
Food was
man.
phenomenal
So
tonight.
good.
Officially dropped the kids off in the kids' adventure ocean. Now we're just chilling down here on the promenade. Let me ask you this question. Are you the type of person that likes to shop on the promenade, or it's a pass for you? I know we like to get down to the cafe and just kind of chill out and relax, but we're just strolling, enjoying our first night. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
What'd you do?
We play games
Games? All right.
and the video games.
What video games were you playing?
Mario Kart.
Have fun? What'd you play?
I don't know.
Everly, did you have fun, baby? Hey, what'd you make at Adventure Ocean?
A handprint.
A handprint star. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Good. So I don't know if this is something new to Royal Caribbean or just for our cruise. We'll find out probably as the week goes on. But there are little ducks all over. Apparently there's like 1,000 of them hidden. And so our kids and teen have become addicted. So we're looking everywhere. We're gonna find out how many we can find by the end of the week. Thank you so much for joining us on this first vlog of our Royal Caribbean's Voyager of the Seas cruise series. Stay tuned as we have random dance parties, ice skating, wonderful food, and even run into some crazy thunderstorms. Click that thumbnail right now so you can come along with us on the adventure.